Hi, my name is Kimberly Redd. I come to you today with our daily home Bible readings for Thursday, September the 19th, 2024. I will heal your faithlessness from Jeremiah 3:19 through 23. How long shall God tarry for the people of Israel to turn from their wicked ways? Here, God is ruminating what he will say to the people of Israel if they turn to him. He is going to give them the best, the finest land, an inheritance he promised. This land people will die for. I have fed you, I have clothed you, I have delivered you from the hand of the enemies. I look forward to you calling me Father. Yet you have remained unfaithful. You are like an unfaithful woman. You turned your back on me. He laments and he tells them he will heal their wandering heart. He hopes they will say, "We will come back and you will be our true God." The idol gods are nothing and a liar. It leads to hopelessness and despair. Sin is a deception and illusion of false hope, and few people recognize it. People feel they have to learn from their experience. You don't have to do wrong to know it's wrong. What are you learning from sinning? So many people know the outcome of sin. They know it is death and destruction, but hold on to their sinful nature. God has his hand out waiting for you to come back to him. He wants you to reap his benefits of hope and eternal life.